welcome back to my channel. I'd like to introduce you my latest paper collection, Whispers from the Ton. Stay tuned. Hi guys, it's time to introduce you my latest paper collection, Whispers from the Ton. And you already see the theme. Yep, it's related from the Bridgerton series. I just finished watching season 4 and oh, same as season 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they all are. I just love it. They are amazing, and the vibe those series gets to you. If you don't see it already, please watch them. Then you definitely get in the mood for these papers. So I'm gonna introduce you Whispers from the Ton. So it's inspired from the series Bridgerton. So yeah, it's all that. Alright, so the front. I always like to show you what's inside, but I also like to add some elements that we later can cut out, like these like these paintings, I call these. You can use those, and this beautiful painting with the golden frame. I just love it, and this lady is just adorable. So that we always can use. So the back I chose for a nice flashy pink with some white ornaments in the front, easy to be used. This is definitely not good on camera to see, but in hand it's really a nice flashy one. Then we go to paper 2. So here I decided to split this page in 2 because I could not resist not adding this stripe in it. So I added a nice strip at the bottom and a nice border right here. So you can use that in your project. And then we have all these beautiful light pastel colored elements that we are definitely all gonna cut out and use them. I absolutely love them. An invitation to the season for every part of the ton, a letter worth keeping. I just love it. So cool. Then we go to the back. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. It's so light, it's so delicate. So it's a nice cream color background with a very gentle flower at the front. And oh my gosh, those lights are not making it worth seeing, but I'm just gonna try to show it you all, but in hand it always is better. Then we have the next one, also a nice cream color background, very delicate little flowers, flashy pink, light blue, some greeny touch in it, and I absolutely adore this frame at the bottom, so we can use that with that lovely lady. So cool. Then the back we have a nice big ornament in beige and cream color. Love that, easy to be used, but I really wanted not to make it too fragile, so I make it big. I made it big. Then we have a busy page with all the nicely Bridgerton colors in flashy pink, light pink, blue, and especially the golden effect. Love this with all the elements in it. So cool, easy to be used. And then in the back a nice beige paper that gives it some peace, but there is still beautiful flowers and ornaments in woven. Love that. Easy to be used with all the busy papers. Then we have a nice cut apart page. Love this. You know I love to use shapes, so this we definitely going to use. You can use this top, but you also can use this top, and then the tops of these tags we can use. So heartfelt wishes, a token of affection, you are invited with love, and you are my greatest adventure. Together is a beautiful place to be. Follow your heart, Whispers from the Ton, where rumors bloom like roses. Oh, you definitely can use this for a nice wedding album. Absolutely, 100%. But also for other ones. And on the back we have the nice flashy pink cream color stripe. And at the bottom some nicely gentle light pastel flowers. So easy to be used in a corner. Cut this out and you have a nice tuck spot. So cool. Then of course we have a nice dot. The dots are in beige. The crème is on the back. And of course I added some elements right here in the bottom and one here in this corner. Follow your heart. Easy to be used because we can use plenty of these pages. Then the back is some lacy and bows and nice beige color, some satin ribbon. Love that. It's so not cool to see in here on my camera, but in real life it's so much better. I keep saying that, but it's the truth. Then we go to the next page. This one has a big ornament right here. It's very delicate. You don't see it maybe even, but there is a nice element. We have some roses, some flowers. We have some pearls. And here is a nice big country house. This is country house, a very large house. And then we have the same flowers right here at the bottom. So cool. I try to zoom in. Yep, there is the house. And do you see the ornament? Oh, there you go. But it's very, very gentle. In real life, you're definitely gonna see that. Then the back. Oh, I love this page. Also, I split this in two because it's easy to use the top and then this one for a nice pocket. Absolutely amazed that. So we have the golden touch coming back, the flowers, beautiful little birds in here, and then the fleshy pink, yeah, leaves, little flowers. Love this page. So adorable. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit. Yep, so cool. Then we go a little bit to the blue one. This is a very busy page, but I love it. A Matter of Heart, Love in the Eyes of the Town, Whispers of Society, An Effort of Elegance, You're Truly, Whispers of Society, Dearest Reader, An Affair of Elegance, A Matter of Heart, Love in the Eyes of the Town. Well, I really like this. And the golden touch is also coming back here, but then this is a nice blue one. We have the cameos. Love that. So cool. Then this page is very, very gentle, very light, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you again, in real life it's so much better. Hope you can see this a little bit. So cool. Very delicate. Then we have a beautiful cut apart page with beautiful images. Absolutely love those couples. It is really Bridgerton alike. Love that. The drinking of the tea, I call this the carriage with the horses, walks in the garden, of course the balls with the dance, a night, I call that nice walk in the night. Yeah, I call yeah, that. Well, it's amazing. I absolutely love that. All the scenes tells their own love story. Oh, we women really like that. Alright, then we go to the back. This is a nice beige background with a nice ornament in beige and creme color. And then we have a beautiful very light pastel. You see some letters in the back, definitely not seeing on camera. Very light pastel flowers, some blue bows, and of course the pearls are coming back. It's very delicate, very light, easy to use. You also can use this as writing a letter. Oh, I have some tear whisper tone. I love that. Love, love, love. Then we have a nice busy page with a cream color background, fleshy pink, almost salmon color with bows and crowns, and it's all there. Love that. Super cute. And we have another cut apart page with all kind of letters. So it's a wideable theme with this one. You see all the letters coming back. It's definitely a theme that I needed to come back in this collection, because Bridgerton is all about writing, not all about, it's romance and writing letters. So yep, writing the newspapers. So this is absolutely amazing. Then we go to the back. This is a nicely stripe with all, yeah, it's not that straight as a normal stripe, but it's very delicate, and of course I could not resist do the lady whistle down a little bit. Whispers from the tongue. I love that. Very delicate. Then we have another cut apart page. Of course, those scenes are just amazing for this theme of album, and I just love it. Amazing. Do I need to say more? I don't think that I need to say more. It's amazing. We have some post stamps. Easy to glue on everywhere do you want. Then we have a nice blue one. Blue on the back, a little light blue at the front. And it's adorable. Easy to reuse, a nice plain one. And this is the last one. Again, we have some beautiful scenes at the piano. Reading the letter at the window. Another evening event. Post carriage and dressing up. And we have some tiny little note cards, very tiny. And then another beautiful fleshy pink background with some flowers, lacy flowers. Love that. So guys, what do you think? What do you think? Can we do something with this paper collection? God, absolutely. I have something in mind, but this was the introduction of the paper collection. Whispers from the Tongue. I hope you like it. And yeah, if you want it, just email me and ask for the paper pack or the digitals. I also have a digital pack, even with extra papers designs. Alright, send me an email if you like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And of course, this is one set, guys. This is just one set, but in the paper pack you will get 6 sets in total. This big paper pack can send to your home. Just send me an email. Send me an email before they're gone. And I will gone fast. I think that. See you.